Hello? Hello?
This is weird.
Yeah. It's like, I don't remember...
Getting here.
Where am I? Who are you? Hannah. I'm Hannah. This is Justin.
This is stupid.
Justin?
What the?
What's that?
We'll see that, right?
Yeah. What are you... Don't!
Why not?
Hello, Hannah.
Hi.
I know everything about you, Hannah.
Welcome to the museum of me, Hannah Richardson. Like for a like, and I always follow back.
Nah, I'm not big on the socials, to be honest. I'm above scrolling through everyone else's rubbish.
Cherry, on the other hand.
Shut up!
It's human nature, Hannah. The need to spread gossip, share secrets.
This isn't gossip.
You're not to blame here, Sammy. You're a victim.
Don't call me that.
You found me, all right? Is this what you want?
Do you accept?
We're obviously here to be taught some big lesson, aren't we?
But you'd like us to think your life is pretty perfect, wouldn't you? No. Perfect in a sort of heavily filtered way.
Do you know who I am, Hannah?
No. I'm desperate to find out.
We can give you another chance to make the right choice.
This is about choice. About my choice.
So, do you accept?